Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Mama, please don't worry about me. 'Cause I'm about to let my heart speak. My friends keep telling me to leave this. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Back and forth with the bullshit. I know I said it before, I don't mean it. It's been a while since I had your attention, so it might hurt to hit it. Dreams we had don't ever fall away. We can't leave them if we stay the same. And I can't do this for another day. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business.
Oh, doesn't she look absolutely gorgeous? Terry, my darling, you need one on your door. Amazing. Have you got an annoying neighbour that pisses you off and keeps you up all night? Buy a door closer, strip your door down, take all the grease out the hinges. And there you go, my darling. You got the world's noisiest door.
Just hear that our boss came She's like most of the time.
The living door, my darling, sounds like a dying rat. Wait for it. Hear it again. It's because the door closer arm is rusty, my darlings, and I'm not oiling it. No way. Since the last time we recorded, I did slightly change the speed of my bedroom door. He fucking is, brother. Fucking hell. What are you fucking staring at, brother, innit? Yeah? Do you like my door closer? It's good, innit? Innit, bruv? Ew, that man's such a sexy bugger, Ronald. Ah, fucking hell. Bloody sounds like a fucking rumble going off. Fucking hell. Got tinnitus now, guns. Oh, the fucking rat in my house. Get it out. Oh. Just wait till it opens. Holy fucking hell. Even worse. Oh, my bloody ear. On with the kitchen door. I've lost track how many fucking sounds that bathroom door makes. It's spooky. God help my next neighbours. This is how fast the fucking university doors go at the moment, my darling, in Glasgow. Everyone gets pissed off with them. Imagine that. You think there's something wrong with the door, wouldn't you? It's what the students do. It's what the students do. The students do. And then they do this. And then they do this. And then they do this. Sounds like a hurt person hurting a dog. If you ever do that to a dog, I will kill you. Not gonna lie. So don't ever do that to your dog because it will kill you. But there we go. Look at that. What a bloody spectacle. Why does the door have to go that fucking slow? That would annoy anyone in a university, my darling, wouldn't it? I saw some fucking prize prick a few weeks ago in Glasgow come past like this and he was like, don't do that because you'll break the door closer, twat. It was a door McCabe beside him on and all. You boggled to a spot. I hope your house caves in, cunt. But yeah, there is no need for a door to go that fucking slow, honestly. That's just ridiculous. The world's slowest door. Why does the door need to go that slow? I do not know. To allow people to get through. Yeah, but come on, there's a door closed and there's defeating the object, do you know what I mean? That's not even a door closed, if you think about it, isn't it? I mean... I tell you what I think they should do in future, they should have door closers. And they should have no altering speeds on them at all, they should just have them factory preset and leave it up like that. Just leave it one last fast speed, that's it. You know what I mean? We're now going to alternate because it's doing my tits in with darlings. Oh, here we are. I'm just going to show you that, darlings. Oh, here we are. I'm just going to show you laps action while we're at it. So this, hang on. Show you laps action while we're at it. So this, hang on. This is how good these Rutlands are. So it's coming up to latch now. Watch this. Ready? This is all about latching now. Good because when I'm out I can set it so it shuts like a cannonball to piss air off. Perfect. Come on! Shut then, cunt! Not doing anything there. Oh yeah. Latching speed, watch this. Let's latch, basically. And then we can try it, turn it again. That's latch number 1. This is latch number 2. Oh, shit! Is that heavy? It fucking knocked my phone over. Oh dear, excuse me a minute. There we are. This is going to be latch number 3. Tell me what latch speed you like, guys. Latch speed number 3. Needs a new arm, Giovanni, my darling. It's a bit wobbly. Why, aye, man. Sounds like a fucking road digger.
Bang! Perfect.
This is latch number 4. Thank God he's out underneath me. And she is. This is all the closing speed a bit fast because I'm starting to do me head in. There we go. At least it takes the one when it latches. There you know it's definitely latching speed. Well done. That was latch number 5. Did you see that? That was that impressive. It actually fucking latched the handle as well. Should we see that? Watch. Ready? Look at my wonky handle.
Right. Watch the monkey handle. Oh, piss off, door, my cable off, right there, piss off and cunt. Piss off and cunt. Right, yeah, I'll put you over there.
Ready, guys? Watch the door handle. The latch is that fucking bad. I'll knock that into shape. Watch. I seem to like that one, you know. Perfect. Bang. You'll be sending me underneath. Please stop your door from banging over. I can't. It's on a mechanism. Lovely. So that was number 5. Latch number 5. This is latch number 6. Latch number 7. For credit loser, for credit loser. We'll have the handle down to see if I can hang on. Yeah, lovely. You get the gist. But yeah, we're going to have a sensible latch speed, I think. Is that delayed action on that? Well, it's just closing speed that is looking at. Whatever you do, don't force the door closed like I've just done there. The reason why I did that is because I wasn't waiting ages for it to close. If you're after this particular Rutland door closer, it retails for £62 online. I'm going to replace mine soon because this one is quite an old one, as you can see. But yeah, amazing door closer. We're going to try and alter this arm because I want it to have delayed action, you know. We're not getting any latch action with darling, so we can't have that. I can't alter it because simply it's rusted that badly and the washer has gone, so I can't even take the arm off. There we are. Rusted to fuck over. Oh, we're going to see now if we get some action. We will. We'll get some more action with metallics. Change the arm now a bit. So we'll see what that does. It's got more torque and control now. Got more power behind the latch. And also it will do delayed action now, hopefully. Maybe not.
From simply moving the arm forward, I noticed a better response when it came to the latch action, rather than just banging.
These are amazing door closers, they really are. Just need to try and get that fucking arm off. Stop squeaking, you're doing me head in.
I knew if I was going to be successful at getting more delayed action response, I was to take the arm off and position the arm so the door closer had more delayed action. But unfortunately, because the arm was that badly damaged at the top of the mechanism, I could not take the arm off, so I gave up.
We're going to do some spring tension alterations in a moment. Oh, we didn't have any delayed action on, that's why. Duh. That's why. Duh. Oh, I'm so silly. No. The arm's completely fucked on this, to be fair. Oh, we had a little bit there. Did you see that? A little bit of give metallics.
Synchronized doors almost. Lovely. Thank you for watching. Did I inspire you to get some door closers for your door and become fire safe? Good. See you in the next one.